Land Rover Discovery 3 service light reset. Turn the ignition off and hold this button while turning the ignition on. Press and hold the button until the service light stops flashing. Let go of the button until distance is displayed, then hold the button again. Once reset is displayed, you can let go of the button again, and that should be the service light reset. So let's reset the mileage based service. To reset the time-based service, I'm going to repeat the procedure. Hold the button down until the service light stops flashing, let go. Change it to date, hold it again, let go, end. So that's the time-based service reset as well, so no more service light.